you see is the scrotum on the outside and the penis. The scrotum is the sac outside, whereas the testes are inside. And the common shape organ structure is the epididymis. And this tube right here is the ductus deferens, or the vas deferens, which is the old name, which comes together at this vesicle, which is the seminal vesicle. Both of these come in, and that's why I like this model better than the newer model, because you can actually see the ejaculatory duct. So this part is the vas deferens, but this part is the seminal vesicle. Whereas the other one, it was cut in half, and then it suddenly showed up. Everybody runs and look at the new models, but not necessarily is the best model. But this is the ejaculatory duct, which comes in out this tube right here, which is the urinary tube. This is the the urethra. This is the urinary bladder. The floaties inside is the rugae. The muscle is the detrusor muscle. The prostate sits on either side of the prostatic urethra. What is nice about the new model is that you can see the membranous urethra because it cuts a straight path through. In the old model, you can't, but you can definitely see the spongy urethra and the penile urethra. This urethra has two names. Can you see back there, Angel? Pop down your head, Judith.
Pop my head.
Okay, so far so good. Okay. I can either put it from this side or from this side, so make sure that you know that I would put these in pieces. Number one thing on this organ that a lot of students forget is this blood vessel right here. These are your spermatic arteries and veins, which is also these right here. Earlier, when students were asking where was the inguinal canal, it's right here, whereas the inguinal ligament is right here. Whereas the new models, the lingual ligaments of the male and female are in the same region, but in the old, it's very distinctive. It's right here. This whole thing that I'm twirling around, that is the spermatic cord. That is the spermatic cord. So if I wanted the scrotum, I would put it on the outside. If you write testes, I will mark you off. If I wanted the testes, I will put it on the inside. If you write scrotum, I will also mark you off. So make sure you get it clear cut. For your erectile bodies, the one that lines the urethra is this. That's the corpus spongiosum. This part right here is the corpus cavernosum. The cavernosum gives the penis its bulk, whereas the corpus spongiosum only lines the urethra. Does that make sense to anyone? And if you're looking for your dorsal veins of the penis, this is it. Those are your veins. Other things you might want to know, which is this muscle right here. That's the cremaster muscle. Cremaster muscle is your this part right here. Once again, that is the rectum. That is the sigmoid colon versus the flexure. Flexure is harder to pin, and that is the external anal sphincter for the males. One last thing I want you to show you is that is the external urethral sphincter, and that's the internal urethral sphincter. Okay? That is the male reproductive system. Another model that I have